Friends, welcome to speedearning.com. I am Pankaj Jain, telling you about a very simple strategy for Nifty future. So for Nifty future, what can you do? In the second half of the market, when you are having lunch time in your office, so at 153, you can make a position which will be closed within 10 to 15 minutes only. So you can close your position, open and close the position within 10 minutes only. So what happens at 155, we are seeing a regular movement either side. It may be upside, it may be downside. We are giving you the strategy which is suitable for both side movement. So at 153, we are making position. Suppose Nifty is positive, if it is near its high, means it is green, then we are buying this month Nifty future and selling the next month Nifty future and having the stop loss of 8 point both sides. 8 point means lot size is 75, 8 point means 600 rupees one side, 600 rupees stop loss other side. Now what happens? Suppose there is no big move and Nifty is moving by 10 points only. Then you are getting 8 point this side and losing 8 point that side. So you are not losing anything and you are not gaining as well. But if there is a movement more than 20-25 point either side, which is there on many days in a month, so suppose it is moving by 25 points, then you are hitting the stop loss one side by 8 point only and saving 15 to 17 point in profit. If it is a 15 point profit, then 15 into 75 lot size, what will you get? More than 1000 rupees will be your profit. So just apply this strategy. This is called calendar spread. Calendar spread means you are buying this month future, selling the next month future and having the equal stop loss which is very small. You are having the stop loss of 8 point only, means 600 rupees only, and sometime there is a movement of 100 or 120 points in Nifty either side. So you are earning 100 points in a single shot, means more than 7,000 rupees you are getting. So you are getting such extraordinary profit at least twice or thrice in a month. So if you are following this method, this strategy, you will get a good idea of Nifty, you will get a handsome money, and if you practice this strategy, you are not going to live this for lifelong. So we are going with the very simple strategies which are very easy to apply in the running market. And even if you are a beginner, if you are a new trader, and even if you are an advanced or experienced trader, it is suitable for both type of traders. So just go apply the strategy and comment us, join our channel, subscribe our channel, share and like, so that we can bring many new videos for you, and we are inviting the suggestions from all of you. So which topic do you want to discuss? Just comment us. Thank you.